If you're like me and recently joined Real, you'll want to know this one simple phone hack that will take your average text and make them awesome. Check it out. So in order to do this, you're going to find somebody who has the font. Luckily, you know me and I do. And so you're going to go on your iPhone to Settings, and under Settings, you're going to search for Text Replacement. Click Text Replacement, click through, and click the Addition button up top. The phrase will be the copied and paste super awesome Real font. The shortcut, I use hashtags. So I go hashtag Real. So now, whenever I put in hashtag Real on an Instagram post or anything like that, I'm able to just say hashtag Real and that really cool font will show up and will impress people just like it did me. So hopefully this trick becomes valuable to you. If you have some awesome thing you're doing to promote Real and helping this company become the greatest real estate brokerage in the world, I want to know about it. Hit me up, 702-328-7653 if you need that font or if you have a cool idea, and we'll share it together. Have a great day.